Have you ever wondered at night, while looking at the twinkling stars and the dark sky, where its end is? Or perhaps, does it even have an end? I have thought about it. So in this way, while contemplating, we have learned about and tried to explain to you, in simple language, the two biggest mysteries of the universe. So, let's begin with some startling facts. Number 1. More is unknown than is known. What you are observing, as far as you can see, is only about 5% of the entire universe. The remaining 68% is dark energy, and 27% is dark matter, which we will try to explain further in the upcoming video. Number 2. Matter. You have learned in chemistry that everything in the world is made up of atoms, meaning matter, and matter is defined as anything that occupies space and possesses mass. However, a significant portion of the entire universe consists of almost no matter at all. Isn't this fact quite startling? Number 3. Counterbalance. In the entire universe, there's not just gravity, but there's something else too that works in opposition to gravity. But why is this the case? If only gravity were at play, the entire universe would eventually collapse in on itself. However, that's not the case. The universe is expanding. You might have heard at some point that the universe is expanding. Number 4. When light hits an object, you are aware that everything either absorbs, reflects, or transmits light. But the subject we're about to delve into doesn't exhibit any of these properties. If it were absorbing, reflecting, or transmitting light, we would have studied it using telescopes or other instruments by now. So, these were some amazing facts and intriguing curiosities that we will attempt to explain in today's video. Whenever people think about stars, planets, or galaxies, they assume that they must also be composed of atoms containing electrons, protons, and neutrons. However, this is not the case. So, what are they made of then? No one has been able to provide an answer to this question yet. The story begins in 1933 when a scientist named Fritz Zwicky was studying galaxies located very far away. He discovered something very peculiar. The outer rims of these galaxies were moving extremely fast, much faster than what could be explained by the gravitational force of the matter within the galaxies. The high-speed movement of these outer rims implied that the galaxies should have expanded or spread out significantly, but that wasn't happening. Zwicky and his team concluded that there must be something holding these galaxies together, which they termed dark matter. This mysterious substance was exerting a powerful gravitational influence that prevented the galaxies from flying apart, given their observed motion. Dark matter, which we can also refer to as invisible glue, binds the normal matter of the regular universe together. Knowing more about it is equivalent to uncovering a profound mystery. Detecting dark matter through traditional observatories or telescopes is exceedingly challenging because they rely on electromagnetic radiation, which operates with light. However, as we mentioned, dark matter neither absorbs, reflects, nor transmits light, making it invisible. Therefore, no instrument has been invented to directly observe it yet. Nevertheless, detecting it is indeed possible. In recent years, a new class of instruments has been developed, known as gravitational wave detection machines. These instruments can detect waves generated in space-time due to gravitational interactions. It's believed that if certain activities within massive regions of dark matter were producing gravitational waves, these machines could potentially detect them. This could lead to the discovery of new information based on which we can make significant advancements. Since gravitational force exists in the universe, it was initially thought that the universe was gradually contracting due to this force, and one day it would come to an end. However, in the late 1990s, it was discovered that the universe wasn't contracting, but rather expanding at a rapid pace. But what is causing this expansion? Because anything that expands requires energy, it was concluded that there must be something in space responsible for this energy infusion. However, this thing was a mystery, so it was named dark energy. This energy is accountable for supplying the required energy for the expansion of a significant portion of the universe. However, its properties remain largely unknown to scientists. It exists beyond the boundaries of established physics theories. To put it more simply, dark energy is energy that works in opposition to gravity. While gravity pulls things together, dark energy drives expansion, which is why our universe keeps growing. As for whether dark energy exists as particles, a fluid, or a force, That's still unknown and hasn't been determined yet. Scientists have proposed numerous theories to explain dark energy, but we will discuss two theories that have attempted to explain it. Number 1. Quintessence Theory. This theory suggests that dark energy exists as a fluid-like substance that permeates space, akin to a liquid filling space. While it can't exactly be called a liquid, it's been named quintessence, which means the purest form of something. Number 2. Cosmological constant theory. The father of modern physics, Albert Einstein, proposed that the universe doesn't simply exist as empty space. He postulated the presence of a force that counterbalances the attractive force of gravity, preventing the universe from collapsing. He named this force the cosmological constant in his theory of gravity, represented by the symbol lambda. According to Einstein, this constant would keep the universe neither expanding nor contracting. However, when it was discovered that the universe was indeed expanding rapidly, Einstein discarded his theory of cosmological constant, considering it his biggest blunder. But, as we mentioned earlier, dark energy works in opposition to gravity. It's possible that this cosmological constant could actually be dark energy. Einstein admitted his mistake, but it's possible he was right all along. Today, contemporary scientists working in theoretical physics are attempting to integrate this cosmological constant into equations to explain dark energy. It's estimated that 68% of the universe is made up of dark energy. Don't confuse it with the regular energy we're familiar with, as it's something entirely different that remains a mystery. Think of it as a property of space itself. Regardless of which theory holds true, solving this mystery can help us uncover the hidden facets of our universe and speculate about its future. So, in summary, we can infer two possibilities concisely. Number 1. Either the universe will continue to expand endlessly to the extent that galaxies will eventually become so distant from each other that they will appear as a single dot. Or number 2. Dark energy will overcome the force of gravity, breaking our universe into fragments. What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you found any intriguing facts in this video and are eager to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.